Well, there comes a point in life, they call it a midlife crisis, I think. People either buy a Harley Davidson or a sports car, but the real men and women buy one of these, a ride-on mower. This is the Toro Time Cutter. Dean, tell us about this.
So yeah, it's called the Toro Time Cutter, and it's a real time-saving device for cutting grass.
So what sort of person will buy this?
Consumer residential, lifestyle blocks,
Yeah.
even your lawn mowing contractor guys.
So this is going to, this is going to deal with a rather large lawn. This is the idea
Absolutely.
behind this. So Dean, tell us about some of the features of this beauty.
Starting at the front, we've got a heavy-duty front on it.
Yeah.
Fully fabricated deck. 24.5 horsepower engine, so plenty of power.
Yep. But the most amazing thing is this suspension. It's so comfortable. It's like riding on air.
One of the coolest features of it is the Toro MyRIDE Suspension System.
This is fantastic. I mean, talk about comfort. If you've got bumpy ground that you're having to mow, this just rolls along. It's like floating on air. Of course, the other thing is, say when you're coming out of winter, the grass is much longer and thicker, and you can adjust the height.
Yeah, and you can adjust yourself from down, cutting from 1.5 inches all the way up to 4.5 inches.
That's fantastic. And can you do that on the run?
You can do it on the run, yep. If you're coming up to some longer grass, you can just reach down, lift up your cutting height, on the go.
Fantastic, that's great. So that's the Toro ride-on mower. It's the Toro Time Cutter. There is a larger version of this as well, but you've got to get one of these. Fun way to mow your lawn.